Is your washing machine drawer full of gunk? It's not a problem that goes away on its own. But don't worry, there are some really easy fixes. I'm going to show you how to keep your washing machine drawer clean for good. One of the biggest reasons your washing machine drawer gets gunky is liquid detergent. If you use washing powder, you usually won't have this problem. But liquid detergent can build up fast because it doesn't always dissolve properly in cold water. The simplest way to stop your drawer from getting gross is to stop using liquid detergent in the drawer. Instead, put liquid detergent in a dosing cup and drop it straight into the drum. Alternatively, switch to good old-fashioned washing powder. You can also check the drawer after each use and give it a quick rinse if needed. If you want to go the extra mile, you can even pop the detergent drawer in the dishwasher every now and then. Products like Dettol laundry sanitizer can also help prevent build-up. You can use a little bit with every wash or do a deep clean once a month. And if you want your machine to smell amazing, try a scented disinfectant like Zoflora. To summarise, if your washing machine drawer is looking nasty, here's what to do. 1. Switch to powder or start putting liquid detergent straight into the drum. 2. Keep up with regular maintenance, including running a hot wash and giving the drawer a quick clean when needed. It takes a little effort on a regular basis, but it means you won't have to deal with a gross detergent drawer ever again. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.